Kanen.
Welcome back to Kanen Coffee, and here we have a Gaggia Platinum that was brought in by Leander. Thanks for bringing it in. There was a diagnostic image up here of a wrench or a spanner, and the grinder wasn't working, so we went ahead and replaced the grinder, and it seems to be functioning pretty well right now. So let's go ahead and make a cup of coffee. And there it is, nice and dark. I missed the, oops, put that back in there. That's alright. A little bit of spillage, my fault. Well, thanks for watching the video. We hope you like it, and if you did, please give us a like, and if you wouldn't mind, subscribe to the channel so you can see more of these videos. Sorry about that, Mark. Anyway, there it is, Gaggia Platinum, working great.